Would you like to visit a place where spine-chilling ghosts lurk around everywhere and you can come around them easily? Welcome to Chillingham Castle in England, which dates back to medieval times. Ghost hunters come here in search of ghosts. Even special ghost tours are available. However, it's also a great place for those who are interested in history, because the castle is well preserved. So, if you don't feel nervous about seeing something mysterious and think of a good place to spend time, come to stay with the ghosts of Chillingham Castle. Vocabulary: Investigator, Witness, Spectator, Spine-chilling, Well-preserved, Cellar, Lurk, Rustling, Haunted, Come across, Come down with, Come out, Come over, Come up with, To feel nervous about, To go in search of, To succeed in, To be a part of, To hear from, To hear of, To know from experience, To think of, To think about.